Hey everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be trying out another new foundation. I'm really excited about this one because this one is a drugstore one and, sorry, I can't get comfortable. This one is a drugstore one and it's obviously affordable and it's full coverage. So, super excited about it. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. It is up to 24-hour wear. Yeah, this is their new one that they just came out with, I think a month ago or so. I got mine in the shade 110 Porcelain. I got mine from Ulta, and I matched it online, and it matches perfectly. So I'm super excited about that. Don't mind how dark my circles look. They look extra dark just because I wore a black eyeliner yesterday, and for some reason, black eyeliner, no matter how many different makeup removers, how many times I wash my face, it does not come off. This one in particular, this one is this one it? Yeah, this is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL. If you need a black eyeliner to last you 6 days, then buy this one because this one does not budge. Not even no matter how many different times I take it off. So that's why it looks a little bit darker under there, just because the black eyeliner is still chilling under my eye. It doesn't plan on going away. Yeah guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in because I'm so excited. I've had this foundation for 5 days and I've not been able to try it because I've been waiting to film. So first things first, I'm going to prep my face with the Tatcha Water Cream. I told you guys in the last video that I filmed that I got this as a 100-point sample from Sephora, and I really like this a lot. I actually got 2 samples of it that day because I was like, this is expensive, and I would rather use points than use money, so I use my points. Next, I'm going to be putting on my Cebu Sea Berry Therapy Age Defying Eye Cream. If you guys watch my videos, you know the drill with this eye cream. It is just holy grail, in a bottle. So, alright, so now to prep the face, I'm going to be using the Becca, what is this called? First Light Priming Filter. I really like this foundation. It is a foundation primer. It's very moisturizing, and I don't know, I really like it. It's definitely one of my top primers. So it looks like that, and I'm just going to rub it together. Rub my face. That Radiance Becca primer. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Pearl Professional and just focus that. I'm literally just going to take that much and just focus it right here. Alright, so let's read the claims of this. On the back of the bottle it says, full coverage foundation up to 24-hour wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. So this is a matte foundation, so hopefully my luminous base peeks through a little bit, but we will see. So I'm going to shake it, of course, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender to apply this today. I have the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation, and I don't know how I really feel about it. I know everybody loves that foundation, but I'm still trying it out. I don't know. I have 2 different shades of it that I have to mix together to get my shade. But I'm really excited about these ones. Alright, so besides me looking like a freak right now because my under eyes are so dark, this is such a full coverage foundation. This is insane. This is drugstore, guys. This is, wow. This is really nice. Wow. This, I feel like I'm wearing one of my higher end foundations. Do my brows and do my concealer off camera just because I feel like the concealer part gets a little repetitive since I do only use one. I don't want to constantly include it and bore you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do those 2 things off camera, and then I will be back to finish up the rest of my makeup, and I won't be looking like such a freaking dead person. Okay, so I kind of flipped things around. I put my desk back. I switched to the other window where the sun was coming in because you guys really weren't able to see on the other side since the sun wasn't on that side anymore. So this is the finished product. This is what the foundation looks like with everything on top of it. My cheeks are looking very pink. I don't know why that is. They look very pink on camera. They don't look that pink in person, so I don't know what's happening right now. But anyways, this is the final look. I am thoroughly impressed with this foundation. I am so thrilled that I now found a drugstore full coverage foundation, because at the drugstore you typically only have like light coverage or medium coverage and buildable coverage. This is one layer full coverage, like to the max. Like, I love it. I'm so pleased with it. I don't have any complaints with it. My hold on, my nose. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, my concealer blended like perfectly on top of it. Like, it wasn't like moving the foundation or anything. The only issue I had was on this side, but I don't think it was the foundation, because it didn't happen on this side. I think it was the bronzer that I was using that made it like kind of like not blend, and like, oh, it looks like an ashy mess on this. I don't even want to talk about it. But other than that, like, the foundation went on perfectly. Like, I have no complaints with it. I really like the foundation. So yeah, I wish I could wear it for 24 hours, but like, just can't. Like, I got school, I got work. I mean, I can't be up for 24 hours, you know, with the same face, and I can't go to sleep with the makeup on, because that's just, I don't know. I wish I could, but I can't. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then, like, oh my god, this squirrel is hanging upside down right now, going across the tree. Wow. Sorry. But if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you do like my videos. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys in this video, and I hope to see you in my next. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!